this is a short follow-up video. I removed the plastic parts. Don't know where the other one is right now. Remove the plastic parts. This is the one that was leaking. There's a underneath here. This is a black pipe couple. It's threaded on both ends. Black pipe blew apart. So I pitched the other one back there someplace. But anyway, replaced it with the new parts. That one's brass threaded into PVC, glued fitting up there. And then down here is a it's brass threaded into it's a galvanized 1 inch to 3/4 inch bushing. I couldn't get that bushing loose from the valve, and if I really leaned on that threaded connection, I could end up busting the valve, and then to fix the valve, I would have to start chipping concrete and digging back to the pipe that's in the wall through the wall. So I just I cut my losses, and since it unthreaded, I just put the new fitting into it. Installed a new valve, made a connection, unthreaded that other connection, used a brass nipple. It's longer than what I needed, but it worked. So I got glued fittings there. I had this pipe was crooked, as you remember, so I cut it there, and I had there's the cutoff there. I removed about 4 inches so that it would line up with straight up with the meter. Put some plumber strap in there to carry. That meter wants to flop out this direction, so I used some plumber strap and supported that weight. I've yet to, I gotta put some plumber strap up there, support that tail end of right before that 90, and then I'll be done. So I've got some extra pipe fittings. I could take these back, or keep them for the next plumbing mishap. They came in handy. This time. It have some PVC around, and yeah. So oh, here's that other fitting. It's plastic. It's not even PVC. It's plastic. This was threaded into that valve. Got Mickey Mouse plastic nuts to hold it on. They weren't even wrench tight. I took them off with by hand, so that might have been part of it too. I'm giving the glue some time to set up, and then I'll put the pressure to it, and might as well call this done. Except for some plumber strap up there, it's complete. Pressurization, and then I'll start to put 2 valves in there because I just like valves. That the brass one, when I had to shut off the water, it leaked by. So there's that's sediment, that's got some sediment in there. So I'll salvage the heater clamps, heater hose clamps, and I really don't need barb fittings anymore, but I got them. And we're done. We're out of here. See ya.